Greater Cincinnati. Tyreek Hill to the outside. He goes down the sideline. Tyreek Hill out in front. Can they catch him? No, they cannot. He's done it again. 70 yards. And the fireworks go off. He's his own fireworks show. Wow. What are you going to say about this guy right now?
He looks like Bullet Bob Hayes. Watch how deep in the hole he goes and then just runs the loop. The 200 meters coming out. He's all the way deep in the hole and then loops all the way back out around those blockers. And then look at that move in the middle of the thing. This guy is a blur. There's Travis Kelce helping his mate. Look at him, putting Darian Stewart right on his back. This is an emotional team. Let's face it, it's hard to say, but the Oakland Raiders and the Derek Carr injury, they think they are going to win this division.
Well,